Hello and welcome. This is the first of a series of videos on the practice questions for the final exam of differential calculus at the University of Liberia. My name is Clinton P. Kui, and in this video we are going to do example number 1, and in subsequent videos we are going to do other examples. So let's begin the solution to this problem in 1, 2, 3, go. We are told to find the derivative of y equals x squared minus 4 all cubed. Now, using the chain rule, we could do a substitution. We could say let x squared minus 4 equals to some variable u, and then express y in terms of u. But that will be our procedure. So we'll go right away and differentiate this by using the extended power rule. So the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx. And it is equals to, the rule says we multiply the power by the coefficient. In this case the coefficient is 1, so 3 times 1 is 3. We then rewrite the function x squared minus 4 and subtract 1 from the power, so 3 minus 1 is 2. Multiply the entire expression by the derivative of what's in the parentheses, so multiply by the derivative of x squared minus 4. So we simplify. 3 parentheses will be x squared minus 4 all squared times, what is the derivative with respect to x of x squared minus 4? That's just 2x. The derivative of x squared is 2x, the derivative of negative 4 is 0. So go right ahead and simplify. So dy by dx, which is the derivative of this function with respect to x, is equals to 2x times 3, that's 6x, parentheses will be x squared minus 4 all squared. Example number 1b says we should find the derivative of y equals x cubed sin 3x. And to find this derivative, we have to use something called the product rule of derivative. In this case, we'll use the product rule. We'll differentiate y, the derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx equals, the product rule says we should differentiate the first expression and keep the second expression constant. That means we differentiate x cubed, and the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, and then we keep sin 3x constant, sin 3x, plus we hold x cubed constant, and then we differentiate sin 3x with respect to x. So the derivative of sin 3x with respect to x is cos 3x, because we differentiate sin, we get cos, and then we multiply this by the derivative of 3x. What is the derivative of 3x? That's just 3. So we go right ahead and simplify. This is 3x squared sin 3x. This time this is plus 3x cubed cos 3x. We can factor out the greatest common factor for these two terms. The greatest common factor for 3 and 3 is just 3. And the greatest common factor for x squared and x cubed is x squared. So 3x squared, parentheses will be, this is going to be sin 3x plus, now 3x squared into 3x cubed, it goes x times. So this is x cos 3x. This is the final answer. Example number 1c says we should find the derivative of y equals x cubed e to the power of negative 2x. To find the derivative of this expression with respect to x, we go right ahead and use the product rule of derivative. So if we differentiate y with respect to x, that's dy over dx equals, we differentiate x cubed and hold e to the minus 2x constant. So the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared, and then we hold e to the minus 2x constant, plus we then hold x cubed constant and then differentiate e raised to the power of minus 2x. The derivative of e raised to the power of minus 2x is e to the power of minus 2x times the derivative of minus 2x. What is the derivative of minus 2x with respect to x? That's just minus 2. So go right ahead and simplify. Dy by dx is equals to 3x squared e to the power of minus 2x. Now, negative 2 times x cubed is negative 2x cubed e to the power of minus 2x. We can factor out the greatest common factor for these two terms. So dy by dx is equals to, this is x squared e to the power of minus 2x. The greatest common factor of 3x squared and negative 2x cubed is just x squared, because the greatest common factor of 3 and 2 is 1. The both terms have e to the power of negative 2x constant. So factor out that. And we say parentheses open. This will be 3. Because this times this is this. Minus. X squared e to the negative 2x goes here. It goes here negative 2x times. And this is the derivative of this function with respect to x.